Have you been getting the cold shoulder from your vehicle? Maybe she idles rough, misfires, or overheats. Maybe the air conditioning won't work, the brakes are squealing, you failed your emission test, or she just doesn't run like she used to.
When searching for the right drywall contractor, keep these important things in mind. Whether you find yourself needing one wall repaired, or you have a building that needs all the walls installed, finding a skilled drywall contractor that can provide quality work within your required time frame can sometimes seem overwhelming. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a drywall contractor that's right for you.
For professional, reliable, and affordable local cleaning service, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local cleaning service, and our team has years of experience cleaning all types of commercial and residential properties.
Let me guess. You're either sweating bullets right now or bundled up like an Eskimo. Having a broken AC or furnace is making you absolutely miserable. Does that about
Are you
sum it
looking
up?
for a photographer for your special day? Not just any photographer, but someone with the creativity and experience you can trust to capture the magic of your wedding. We don't just take your wedding photographs and film your special day. Our highly experienced
Need new windows?
photographers
Call the window professionals. Call us. Get your free quote from professional window installers today. We'll come to you and do an in-home assessment and consultation.
Are you having a problem with a clogged drain or toilet in your house? Do you have a slow drain in your sink or shower that's just starting to become a problem for you and your family?
When searching for the right mold removal specialist, keep these important things in mind. If you found mold growing in your home or business, it's critical that you have that dangerous mold removed immediately. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.
Hello and thanks from the team at WB Lightning Rods. When you're considering a professionally installed lightning protection system for your home or business, you can count on the professionals at WB Lightning Rods.
Want a better looking house without the cost? Get your house pressure washed like new. Call us. We offer affordable pressure washing services. We're reliable, affordable, and never cut corners. Only wash them.
This is John from Canadian Infotech, and today we will have a look at the new Extengo UTP extender. Have you seen this cable mess? Wouldn't it be better to have it this way? Extengo Orange is 50 feet, Extengo Green is 33 feet. Cat 6, flat Ethernet retractable cable. It has over 1 gigabit per second transfer rate. It is the only